Good morning, my friends, my students. I'd like to invite you to my next video, most probably the last video on Nelson Mandela. Here, in this speech, part of speech, Nelson Mandela remembered other great freedom fighters of South Africa who stayed back with him for a long time and for whom that freedom was possible. He was a little emotional there in his speech. Remember them who brought that freedom for this Africa are not there with me. I am missing a lot to them. It was his greatness. Alone you cannot do. Alone it was also impossible for him to do. Though he stayed back there in that jail for long 28 years, still he had that loyalty to that people. Tribute to that people. Tribute to that works done by them. So, I can say here, one thing he said about that love and hatredness, you learn better that hatredness, but you must learn that how to love that people. Love can be generated naturally, and we create that hatredness. It is a practice. Difference in the color of that skin cannot cause that hatredness. It is a thing generated there within you, that's why you practiced on that. Common people of the society, chain them. Chain them as savage. As you chain them, I feel I am also chained. Let me to free that people first, then I will be free by myself. It was his vision, it was his claim there to that white people. On that particular, on the basis of that hatredness and love, he said that he was not a man who wanted there to go alone and bring that freedom and liberty for this country. He said that coming together is beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is your success. For a successful human being like Nelson Mandela, a success was that vision. That's why he invited the white people. He did not like to take the pride of bringing freedom for that country alone. You come together. We do not have that hatredness. We love this human, love that human. This love can generated there automatically or naturally. In his speech, I remember some lines he said about that obligations, twin obligations. Each man in this world have the twin obligation. You are isolated there in that family, confined there in that family, with that family, relatives, friends, parents, son, daughters, everything okay, no problem. What you will get from there? You are missing a lot there from that patriotism part. You cannot be the lover of your land, your country. You have to be transcendental on the way they are to. You should be equipoised there in your mind there to maintain that twin obligation. Transcendental devotion is required there for your nation. If that devotion, the dedication, the dynamism will be there, it is possible there to build a modern nation like modern South Africa. It was his claim, it was his demand there to the people. So my dear friends, the twin obligation we must have also there in our life. Another thing, what made Nelson Mandela to that much strong there to fight against apartheid system practiced by the white people? That humiliation and torture on him. It made me bold. It was rightly done by that people. That was rightly done by that people to make me bold. When I was bold and I saw my people are in that slavery system there, in that apartheid system, their freedom and liberty are being seized by that white people. I became strong, toleration capacity increased, and I committed myself there to fight for justice of that black people. So without objecting that, without protesting that, when white people, which commanders, which police officers, which cops were there to arrest him, which cops were there to shower that flower from that sky on the dais, he could not object them. He received that salutation also. He accepted that challenge. They are to put him that jail also, cell of that jail also. It was his boldness, I can say. I can claim. You are burning, hating each other. Who gave you that right? Who gave that human there to hate each other? Not only oppressor, but also that oppressed. Should learn there. Should learn there to live unitedly. United we strong, divided we fall. No people from that world governance should finger there to South African governance, because unity is there. If that unity will be established there by that oppressor and oppressed, without finding each other's loopholes there, then it is possible there to build up a new and modern South Africa. It was his vision. And in that speech also, he included his boyhood freedom, which was an illusion. From birth, from early birth of a child, you are seizing the freedom means what mentality, what thoughts will be developed there with that person. Can you get that perceptible budge as oppressor? You cannot get that perceptible budge. People cannot favor your that type of sting they are practiced on that people. It is not good. He objected that he was not allowed there to go to theatre, to school, to college. They are even to that pond to bath freely. It was objected by him. So this Nelson Mandela, who fought there for that prejudice, who fought there for seizing of freedom, who fought there for that liberty of that black people, finally ended his speech. They are thanking to that world leaders, that people assembling there, and the inner feeling, what things were there within him, he exposed it very freely, exposed it without even corrupting that feeling in a vindictive form, was appraised a lot in that latter page when that intellectual readers, they went through the talkings, the lecture, the deliberation and the speech. So my dear student, here this chapter gives a moral us. They are to be bold, they are to go through that obligations, what are there for us, that loyalty, dedication, devotion to the nation, and fighting there for that liberty, right and freedom of citizen of a country, which was possible only by a tough personality, a world-class personality, that was Nelson Mandela. Thank you for today, and some poems, interesting poems are there. I can give that lecture on that. That will be helpful to you to refer for your examination. Slowly I will go. Very interesting chapters are there. Give me time, I will give me new video that will be helpful to you. Thank you for today.